Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Michelin guide app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Michelin guide app brings the world's most trusted restaurant and hotel ratings straight to your phone, making it easy to find Michelin starred spot and hidden gem. You can filter by location and destinations, plus save favorite and even book directly through the app. For foodies and travelers, it's a sleek way to access curated high-quality recommendations without relying solely on random review. That said, the app isn't flawless. Some user report glitches, clunky filters, and missing features like visited marketers, and the listing can also feel sparse at times, with limited photos or detail compared to other platforms. So in conclusion, it's still worth using if you want a Michelin trusted rating and want a premium guide in your pocket, but expect a few usability hiccup along the way. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.